Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a line segment tool. Hold Shift and draw the line. Hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this line perfectly. Now select one line and group it. Select this line and check Rotate tool. Rotate angle 45 degree, preview it, then OK. Now you need Reflect tool. Rotate angle 90 degree vertical, preview it, then copy. Select this line and go to Edit, copy and paste in front. Hold Shift and rotate. Now adjust this line. Hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this line perfectly. Now select all lines and go to Object, Expand. Now you take Shape Builder tool and draw your letters perfectly. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.